fucking idiot put this top on there, so I'm going to redo this. Nobody wanted it, so I might as well just spray it black and redo this whole table. There's like a mark here. Probably have to kind of, I think that's a nail. Could have just take that out. But I'll spray this black, and then we'll put some lacquer on that or something to make it nice. Maybe do a red on top and a black on the bottom, like the Chicago Bulls.
Red too.
This is like a blood red they have on there, so it is kind of a Chicago Bulls color, but I want to do a black. It's a little wobbly, so maybe try to tighten that up. I could put something down, but I really don't care. I like the smell. I'm kind of weird. I like the smell of this. That's probably bad for you, but whatever. Here's where I'm at so far with this little table. I'm gonna do a red. You could leave it like this and just do the sheen or whatever, but I'm gonna do a red on top. There it is, guys. It's black on the bottom, red. I have black on the sides too. I kind of like it actually like that with the black on the sides, and then it leads up to this red up top. So it's just some spray paint. Some red and black spray paint, and we brought this table back to life. I did hammer in. I took the hammer here, and I hammered in some rough spots here. Then I'll put some stuff to make it all smooth next. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I moved the table out of the sun. It's pretty much dry. There are some spots I have to fix up. I'm only doing the top with this semi-gloss. Usually I kind of spray. I don't spray. I usually have like paint this on, but I'm gonna try the spray today. Let's see if it is any better. I'm just like going back and forth to make sure I'm getting all the spots. The hardest thing with these sprays is that overspray when you get that air coming off of it, so you gotta watch out for your skin and shit. But I'm just trying to hit every little area. I think you waste more of this shit than if you spray or painted it on, you know. But I'm only doing the top again. But there's the table. We went with some fucking idiot put some stupid shit on top, so rip that off. I mean, project probably took like an hour or so, but it looks better, I think. Nice little table. Nobody wanted, but now we've kind of restored it. It is dry. I'm getting a little rough patches here, so I'll probably go over it again. Not bad, maybe on the edges. Here's the table update. We did some red on the top, black on the bottom. It's still trying to get some sort of smoothness going on up here, but the spray isn't working completely. But it's a nice little table you could put at the end, or put a computer or anything on that, or food. But I like it. I'm glad I kept it and ripped that fucking thing off. Whoever put that shit on there is an idiot. But yeah, I still got to do some work to it. I just enjoy doing stuff like this and trying to bring stuff back to life.